Hi, Mike from Custom Cruise. You can see here we got some beautiful things. These are twin cam cams, gear driven, rather than shitty chain drive things you normally have. Now, when you buy these Andrews kits, okay, I have no idea why, but you can see here Andrews gear set 37G. This gives you masses of bottom end. Okay, very good, but don't come with gears. Now, there is nothing on here, both the same part numbers. Okay, 1001 163. Nothing to say front or rear. Again, exactly the same thing. Nothing to say front or rear. All right. These cranes, on the other hand, have got the brain cells to put what cam it is, and then it will say 2F. Okay, so that means that's your front cam. All right. Now this one here says 2R. So I've no idea really why Andrews don't do this, but it would make a hell of a lot more sense. So what we're going to do is take these gears off, these drive gears, and we're going to put them on these cams here, because for some reason the Andrews don't come with them on. Pretty crazy idea really, when you've got to press them on yourself, where you could just do what S&S and everyone else does, Crane, and just supply a cam with the bloody thing already on. But Andrews, as you know, top of the range. You can see here this is definitely the same one as is this. There would be a difference as well with the dots for timing. Okay, so you know, I can't see why they don't bother putting this thing on. But as you can see here, made in the USA. No, it doesn't tell you anything else. Yeah, just basically made in the USA, which we know that anyway. We'll be buying Chinese rubbish to do a gear job like this. Okay, so if you're interested in gear drive cam kits, we do Crane, we do S&S, we do, you know, pretty well anything. This tells you what the cam specification is and what the lift is. This one here, 0.53 tap it. Sorry, what's the lift? Intake cam lift. 505 6007G. No, I'll have to look this one up. Don't actually tell you what the lift is. Okay, normally it would give you a lift number. 510, 515, I believe, are okay without changing cams, without changing valve guides, springs and everything else. Whereas these ones here, you see here, you can see very easy with Andrews, stock, high lift. So once you go to a 32G, you are looking at high lift, which is obviously going to be a problem. Okay, whereas this particular set we've got here, a 37G will work with stock 560 lift, sorry, valve lift 510. Okay, gives you lots of bottom end torque and power as well, so your power's coming in nice and low, right? The one before has got a 630 lift, so you can imagine that's high lift. This means you're going to start changing cams, changing things like valve springs, possibly even collars, etc., to give you more lift, or beehive springs or whatever. Okay, so these particular cams work great in a stock bike. This is just preservative crap they put on them. But if you're interested in any info, give us a call. 01773835666. We do the S&S gear pumps, we do the Ultima pumps, we do the Ultima back plates, cam chests, we do fueling, you name it. Give us a call. 01773835666, customcruisers.com. Thank you.